Hello, crypto world. Wednesday morning in the United States. And yes, it's already Thursday in Asia. And the equity markets are very weak. And the sell off from yesterday isn't continuing, but it's not reversing. It's just drifting lower on real volume in stocks. And we have to look at the NVIDIA. Look at the sell off in NVIDIA today. Now, remember, after the CEO made a speech on Monday night in the United States, it was trading an all time high of 154. But it's now backed off significantly, round number $15 from 150, 10% back off in the leading AI stock. And across the board, technology is getting hit. And when we jump to crypto, the sell off in crypto continues, and the sell off in equities was related to the notion that we may not be having interest rates decreases, and the dollar is so strong. Look at the incredible strength in the dollar. Now, I want to be very clear about one fact. There's no doubt that the 10-year Treasury note has gone up significantly and it's heading towards 5%, which would be bad for crypto. The dollar would get strong and make the stock market weak. But there is financial information coming out this Friday which could change this perspective. So, and Thursday, the equity market in the United States is closed, and because of they're going to pay respect to the passing of Jimmy Carter. But the crypto world will be waiting to see what happens to the dollar and interest rates on Friday. But I want to give some good and interesting news about crypto. I start with the photo of the president-elect with Brad Garlinghouse of Ripple. They met. That can't be a bad thing. As we see in this particular administration, the president-elect is embracing successful billionaires, and now we have a successful crypto billionaire hanging out with Donald Trump. Could be very positive for the future of Ripple. Now, many people have spoken about the possibility of the U.S. government adopting Bitcoin as part of its balance sheet, if you will, a reserve. Now, Fidelity, the major brokerage firm, has said that they anticipate that governments will be significant Bitcoin investors in 2025. That would be one of the greatest things for Bitcoin and crypto in general if this comes out. And the fact that Fidelity is predicting that is very positive because they interact with sovereign governments now. Bottom line, we are experiencing weakness due to the fact about interest rates and the dollar, but that can change on Friday. And my last note is at the beginning of my page, you can see the link to my YouTube. And the only reason I'm bringing that up is if we have to wave goodbye to TikTok, you can find me on YouTube, and that's the link.